Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to roast a Christmas goose. It looks like our goose is about ready to be taken out of the oven. First, we're going to take its temperature to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. So we're just going to stick the thermometer into, we can stick it right into the breast meat, making sure to not hit bone. And we're going to let the thermometer take the temperature. You want the goose to be about 175 degrees. A thicker area of the meat. Now, because this is a goose, it doesn't have nearly as much meat on the bone as a turkey would or a chicken. So a lot of it is going to be thinner areas, and you want to make sure to get that thermometer into a thicker area. And the thermometer will take a few moments to register. So I've already taken its temperature. We know that it is done. So I'm going to carefully remove it from the oven. Be careful of any splattering juices because they are incredibly hot and they will burn. And we're going to leave the goose out to cool down a bit. You want it to cool down at least half an hour before carving. And we also need to let the juices cool down just a little bit before we start making our gravy.